Today I will show you on how to use a Microsoft Word. To open the program, click on the Start button, search for the Microsoft Word, then click it. Here are some different features of Microsoft Word. First is typing and editing. Let's change the font size and font style. You can make it bold, italic, or underlined. Second feature is formatting tools. You can change color, highlight important words, align text, left, center, right, at bullet points, at numbers. Third feature is insert picture and shapes. Another feature is insert table. My experience in Microsoft Word, I can type my school assignments, essay, and stories. I learned how to change the font, style, size, and color to make my work better. I can also make words bold, italic, or underline. I know how to design my text, add pictures, and create tables for my project. Using Microsoft Word makes my work neat, organized, and easy to read. It helps me become more creative and confident in making projects.